Appositives and appositive phrases. My best friend Kenny is an amazing skateboarder. He became obsessed with boarding a few summers ago. He's even been to the world's second largest skate park in H-Town, Houston, Texas. While he was there, he met Skate-tacular, a popular music group. One day he hopes to write his own skateboarding zine. Writing a zine would take a lot of education and the ability to write well. Take this sentence, for example. Did you know that the way it's used here, the word Kenny, isn't just a name? It's an appositive. Appositives are nouns or pronouns placed directly after other nouns or pronouns that explain or identify them. The word Kenny tells you my best friend's name. Houston, Texas is an appositive too, because it's placed right after H-Town, a nickname for Houston. An appositive phrase is a noun or pronoun with modifiers. It stands next to a noun or pronoun and adds information or details. In this sentence, a popular music group is an appositive phrase. The modifiers in the phrase are usually adjectives or adjective phrases. Appositives and appositive phrases can also be compound. For example, Kenny met his two favorite skateboarders, Ollie Kickflip and Wally Wheelbite, at a skaters convention. Maybe I'll meet them one day too.